Okay guys, it's time to open up my TikTok shop order. So I ordered some sunglasses. I needed some new sunglasses. Apparently the company's called Taizo Liba Glasses. I'm not really sure. Anyways, let's see. Yo, I love these. These look really, really cool. What's everyone thinking? I'll link them down below so you know where to get them. They're from the TikTok shop. Really, really cute. I can't remember how much I paid, but really, really cute. Love them. What else have we got? We got a colour changing foundation. Apparently it literally matches the colour of your skin. Like magic foundation, I guess. Where's the front of the box? All Day Flawless. And it came with a little pink brush as well. So really, really cute. Can't wait to try that. You can also get a black one, a black brush if you wanted to. But it comes with this little brush. And then I got a 4-in-1 makeup pencil. Let's open it up. There's the colours on it. I don't know if you can see it. Click down on the shade you want to use. Twist the centre of the pen. Cool. Apparently it's by Fit Colours 4-in-1 makeup pen. That's really, really cool. See this one. So that's the brows one. Oops. Really pigmented. Whoa. Yes. Is this one the lips? Oops. Cool. And this one's like eyeliner, I guess. I'll show you on my hand actually. Yeah. Like that's the highlighter. Like the brows. That's for your brows. And this one's your lip liner. Oh, look what I've done now. Can't believe it. Don't do what I just did. You twist it. Ace. Love it. So that's the 4-in-1 pen. Cool. I'll link everything down below. And I'm gonna go and chill in the garden. Yeah.